Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ice crystals. Ice isn't just frozen water. It forms in a variety of intricate and beautiful shapes depending on environmental factors. From snowflakes to frost, let's explore how ice takes on different crystal forms. Here are 19 facts about this natural wonder. 1. Did you know that ice crystals form when water vapor in the atmosphere cools below freezing and deposits directly onto a nucleus, bypassing the liquid phase? This process is called deposition. 2. Did you know that temperature and humidity are the two main factors that influence the shape of ice crystals? Different conditions lead to different crystal structures. 3. Did you know that the classic hexagonal shape of snowflakes arises from the molecular structure of water, which forms hexagons as water molecules bond together when freezing? 4. Did you know that ice crystals can form in over 80 distinct shapes, depending on the specific atmospheric conditions during their formation? Common shapes include needles, columns, and plates. 5. Did you know that ice crystals often start forming around a nucleation point, such as dust particles, pollen, or other microscopic impurities, which provide a surface for water vapor to condense onto? 6. Did you know that at very low temperatures, below minus 30 degrees Celsius per minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit, ice crystals tend to form long, thin needles or columns rather than complex, branching snowflakes? 7. Did you know that ice crystals form the most intricate shapes, such as dendrites, branching patterns, at higher humidity levels when there is more water vapor available in the atmosphere? 8. Did you know that snowflakes grow symmetrically because the water molecules are exposed to similar atmospheric conditions on all sides, causing them to replicate the same pattern outward from a central point? 9. Did you know that temperature variations within clouds cause snowflakes to change shape as they fall? A snowflake that starts as a hexagonal plate can become a dendrite or even a column as the temperature shifts during its descent. 10. Did you know that frost is another form of ice crystals that forms when water vapor comes into contact with a cold surface? Depending on how the water freezes, frost can take on various forms, like hoarfrost or rime ice. 11. Did you know that in addition to the familiar hexagonal crystals, water can also freeze into cubic crystals? This form is much rarer on Earth and typically only occurs in extreme environments or under laboratory conditions. 12. Did you know that when the temperature is just below freezing, snowflakes tend to form thin, flat plate-like crystals, while colder temperatures, around minus 15 degrees Celsius per 5 degrees Fahrenheit, favor the formation of more intricate, branching structures? 13. Did you know that needle-like ice crystals often form at temperatures between minus 3 degrees Celsius to minus 6 degrees Celsius, 27 degrees Fahrenheit to 21 degrees Fahrenheit, a range that encourages the elongation of ice molecules into narrow, rod-like shapes? 14. Did you know that rime ice forms when supercooled water droplets in fog freeze on contact with surfaces like trees or power lines, creating dense, opaque layers of ice that grow against the wind? 15. Did you know that hexagonal ice, known as ice I_H, the most common form on Earth, is not the only crystalline structure water can take? Under extreme pressures and temperatures, water can form into other ice types, such as Ice 2, Ice V, and Ice 7. 16. Did you know that hoarfrost forms when water vapor sublimates directly into ice on cold surfaces, like plants or windows? It can create feathery, intricate crystal structures that look like white, crystalline filaments. 17. Did you know that graupel, often mistaken for snow, forms when snowflakes accumulate a layer of supercooled water droplets that freeze onto them, resulting in small, rounded pellets rather than intricate crystals? 18. Did you know that ice crystals in clouds can sometimes form halos around the sun or moon? This optical phenomenon occurs when ice crystals refract and reflect light, creating circular halos or arcs in the sky. 19. Did you know that diamond dust, a ground-level cloud of tiny ice crystals, often forms in polar regions. These tiny crystals reflect sunlight, creating sparkling appearances, and are common in extremely cold weather. We hope these 19 facts about how ice forms into different crystal shapes gave you a deeper appreciation for the science and beauty of frozen water. From delicate snowflakes to sturdy columns, ice is far more intricate than it seems at first glance. If you enjoyed learning about these crystal wonders, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.